if you want to change wallpaper on the Motorola Moto G87, then first of all we need to open settings. Now over here, once you open settings, you should be able to scroll down a little bit and you want to go to personalize. Once you open personalize menu, then over here you should be able to tap on the lock screen preview over here. And then you can choose one of these available options. So you can go for your photos, so you can choose any picture from your gallery to set it as a wallpaper. You can also set a dynamic wallpaper, or you can go to curated images in order to find some example wallpapers that you can of course use as well. Usually if you go over here, you have this wallpaper and style section, which you can tap on more wallpapers over here to finally find them. And then just choose whichever wallpaper you would like to use by going to any of these categories. So let's say I'm going to go to this category over here, and let's say that I like this wallpaper here. I can still tap in order to, of course, edit the photo. We have prompts, of course, so be sure to follow them. So you should be able to zoom in, zoom out, and move left and right in order to adjust the wallpaper. Now, once you set everything up, just tap on Set Wallpaper in the upper right corner. Then you can decide if you want to set it on the lock screen or home screen or both. And then tap on Set. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.